Hi everyone, Vinny from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com here. For more than 16 years, I've been helping over 7,000 businesses save time and simplify a lot of their day-to-day operations with easy-to-use Excel tools. And today I want to share one of those tools and how a long-haul trucking company based out of Dallas, Texas now files its IFTA reports in just minutes using our IFTA Mileage Calculator for Excel. So for trucking companies that run routes across several states lines every week, keeping the accurate mileage across different states is probably one of the most nuisances, one of the hardest parts and time-consuming part of their job, right? In the past, dispatchers had to type every route in Google Maps, record odometer readings, and estimate mileage for each state. It's a pretty slow manual process and often caused errors and compliance issues doing quarterly IFTA filings if you do not have an electronic device. And that all changed for this company when they started to use our IFTA mileage calculators. Now, calculating mileage by state is a quick, accurate, and fully automated process all inside Excel. And I'm going to show you really quick how they use it and how you're able to use the IFTA mileage tracker by downloading our tools. So the first thing you do, you open our Excel file and you paste all of your trips for the quarter, right, from the trip log and a list of origins and destinations. Once you do that, you click on Calculate, and the tool, using a combination of Google Maps and our proprietary algorithm behind the scene, instantly generates a complete mileage breakdown by state for every route. And because it uses live Google Maps data, the results are always precise and up to date. All you got to do is click on the different trips and it'll break down those trips by state, or you can click on the summary and it will summarize them by state. So for example, one of their trucks leaves Dallas, runs through the Midwest and finishes in New York City, the dispatcher simply again enters the addresses into Excel, hits calculate, and the tool will display again the state-by-state mileage for every trip. Again, by clicking summary button, the Excel will total the miles for each state across all routes and will give you an accurate breakdown that you can then use for your IFTA report. The kind of detailed breakdown gives the accounting team and whoever's filing IFTA complete confidence that this report will be 100% accurate. And the best part about the calculator is that it can handle hundreds of routes at once, right? Most likely you want to do them for the quarter, so you can generate those mileage reports for the entire fleet in just a matter of minutes. And there is no extra software to install, and because everything runs inside Excel, the results can be sorted, filtered, and exported straight into IFTA reporting templates. Are you ready to cut off hours with your IFTA reporting every quarter? Just download our Excel IFTA Mileage Calculator using the link in the description of this video and experience how easy and accurate this reporting can be. You can also contact me, Vinny, via live chat at our website, ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, for this one or any custom Excel solutions made just for your business. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and you'll see more videos of us and different tools that we built that might help you in your business. Thank you for watching, and until next time.